Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the SPY ETF. We previously shared an overview on our website on Friday, October 27, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analyses. It's important not to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Make smarter trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 18, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a sell candidate, with a score of -3.89. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -4.54%. This means that, on average, it has been declining by -0.57% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The ETF has recently broken its narrow and falling short-term downward trend. Although there may be some false breaks and temporary sell-offs, a further decline is likely. Any potential reversals back to the breaking point at $412.32 can be seen as a second chance to exit. The fan theory suggests that $392.15 could be the new bottom line for the next trend, but it's too early to confirm this. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a projected decrease of around -6.62% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -6.25% and -1.66%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend indicates a potential increase of 15.59% over the next year, with a potential return between 15.59% and 33.38%. This would result in a price range of $474.69 to $547.76 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for SPY brings the headline, Red Day on Friday for SPY. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 27th of October 2023, the price of the SPY ETF dropped by 0.453% from $412.55 to $410.68. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During this trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 1.32%, ranging from a low of $409.21 to a high of $414.60. In the past 10 days, the price of the ETF has fallen in 8 of them, resulting in a total decrease of 4.83%. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is usually seen as a positive sign as volume tends to follow the ETF. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 16 million shares, with a total of 99 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $40.56 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $459.44, while the lowest price was $368.79. Currently, the price is 10.61% or $48.76 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 14.44% or $69.30 below the all-time high that was reached on January 4, 2022, when the price hit $479.98. Today, let's take a look at the signals for SPY. Currently, there aren't many positive technical signals for the SPY ETF. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal when the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock experiences any upward corrections, it may face resistance at $418.93 and $431.21. However, if the stock breaks above these levels, it could issue buy signals. On Wednesday, October 11, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a -5.88% decrease. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Volume and price both decreased during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume is expected to follow price movements. On a positive note, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023, in the long-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line meet in a rare and special combination. This often leads to long and strong gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. We have the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a sell signal. Pivots have also generated a sell signal 13 days ago. On the other hand, Bollinger Bands have given a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is showing a sell signal 9 days ago. However, the long-term moving average has given a buy signal 33 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, it indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average is currently indicating a sell signal 9 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also showing a sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 20 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if certain conditions are met, the ETF may perform poorly in the next few days. However, it's important to note that the SPY generally has controlled movements and is considered to have low risk due to its good liquidity. Taking a look at the recent data, the ETF had a $5.39 difference between its high and low price in the last day, which is equivalent to a 1.32% change. Over the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.29%. Today, we'll be looking at some potential day trading levels for SPY. If the market is moving upwards, the first resistance level for SPY is at $412.55. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait until the stock surpasses this level before entering a position. If you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't a significant level of support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop under certain conditions. If you're considering placing bets, proceed with caution and keep in mind that these situations require experience and skill to navigate effectively. Unfortunately, we have concluded that this ETF has received a negative evaluation. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set for this investment. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Currently, SPY is showing several negative signals and is within a narrow and falling trend. Based on this analysis, we anticipate weak performance in the coming days or weeks, leading us to hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. When considering the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, October 30th, we expect SPY to open up 82 cents and begin trading at $411.50. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's recommended to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. StockInvest.us serves as a source of information, but it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at StockInvest.